In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the manual printhead cleaning of your Epson EcoTank ET-2803 printer. We can see in this printout that this printer is not printing all the 4 colors, and I'll show you the original page I used to print. Here is the page I tried to print. So we can see black color and the magenta color is not printing, whereas the blue color and the yellow color is working. And to fix that problem using the manual printhead cleaning, now the first step is to unlock the printhead. So again we have to give a copy command. Once your printhead starts to move, we will unplug the printer. Now lift it up, open the door below so that you can keep an eye on the printhead. Now click on the copy button, unplug it. So printhead has moved to the one side. Next step is to open the printer. So we can just lift this section up. There is a one black screw, so just remove it from here. And from the top, remove a silver screw. So these are only 2 screws we need to remove to open this section. Now push it to the one side and lift it up. This handle will come off. Now we have to place a support for this top section. So you can place. To open the printhead, we have to move this section. Take a small screwdriver. Now lift this top cover from this side and then lift it from here. Let's check the printheads. So our magenta printhead is not working. To get access, first we have to remove the pipes. So just move this plastic to the forward and take it off. Now remove all these pipes from here. Take the ink cartridge out. Look at the magenta. You can see the ink is flowing here. Also the ink is showing up in the nozzle. To clean the printhead, we have to remove this plate from here. So there is a lock on the side. Press it and lift this plate a little bit up, and then same way press it from the other side and take this plate out. There are 3 screws, you can clearly see from here. That's 1, 2, 3. So we have to remove these 3 screws. In most of the cases, if one of the ink or maybe all the inks are not working, the most common reason is printhead is clogged. Ink is clogged and we have to unclog the printhead, and then it should start working normally. Now place your finger in this side and push this electric, so it will help you to take the printhead and also move it from here. So that is our printhead. We can remove this chip, so just take it off. So we have to unclog the printhead. For that you can take a tissue and some water. Take a dry tissue first and just clean the printhead. So we cannot see the magenta color. Keep cleaning the print head. Keep cleaning until you clear the clog. So this is just the dry cleaning right now. Once we finish it, then we'll apply some water and do the proper wet cleaning. So only two colors I can see here. Now apply some water here. Just spray a few drops. So you can see all three colors are working, but fourth color was not showing up here. At the back side of the print head, we also have to clean the nozzle. That's for the magenta color. So you can see the magenta color is showing up here, but after that the print head is clogged. So little bit cleaning here will allow the ink to flow through it. Now in the nozzles, like, there is very little space for the ink to go in, so you have to use a small pen, if you can have, just to unclog it. Unclog the print head from here. So spray some water, but don't spray on the chip, that will damage the chip. So once you unclog it, you will see it looks very clean and nice from this side. And next step is to spray some of the water on these nozzles and just clean after that. So use a tissue paper and you can just let it absorb everything. Once you clean the nozzles and the print head, just make it dry, just using a tissue. Just clean the extra ink so that it don't mess up anything. Now we are going to put it back after the cleaning. So that goes like this. That's the chip. So just install it here. Now place it back. Use the screwdriver to adjust it. Place it here. These chips should be placed properly. Put all the three screws. One, two, and that's the third one. Place this back. Now we have to place these. Let's start with the black. So that's on this side. So first is the black, then comes the yellow, then comes the magenta, and here comes the cyan. Place these ink pipes. Apply this cover. Now place this. These hooks will go first. There is a place to insert it and then press it down. It will lock. Now remove the support and close this door. While closing, you have to be careful on the left hand side. Push it on the side and let it go in. Now this hook will come parallel to here because the screw will go here, and the other sides the hooks will go to the wall of the left side. So let's place it. And close it. So if it's closed properly, that means you have done it in the right way. Now lift it once. Now place the screws. Now place the silver screw from the top. For that you can use a light to see if it's in the right position or not. Now close it. Plug in the power cable. Lift it and close this section. There are a couple of things we have to do before we start using the printer. So we need ink to flow so that we can start using it. Go to the display panel, scroll ahead, click on the maintenance, click on the head cleaning, put some paper in the paper tray, and then click on the OK to proceed. Click on the start. So it's going to do some auto printhead cleaning for 3 minutes, and it will just use some ink to flow from the printhead. So let's check the print result. So you can see 3 inks are working and the magenta color is not showing up here. We will do the power cleaning. This printer has a power cleaning feature. Definitely it will use some ink, but it will make the printer to work. So go to the home button, scroll ahead, click on the maintenance, go to the power cleaning. Make sure your printer has ink that is around 30% ink left. So press OK to proceed. Agree with the terms. To start this process, press and hold this button for 5 seconds. So it's going to take around 11 minutes. So we have to wait for that. So let's do a copy and see if it's working. So we can see all the 4 colors has started to work. So black, yellow, magenta and cyan color, all 4 are working. So this way we can just unclog the print heads using 2 methods. So first we use the manual method, and then we tried print head cleaning automatic, and the last was the power cleaning. So when we did this all in a combination, our print head cleared up and it has started to work. Hopefully this video will help you to fix the problem, and in case you have any ink that is not showing up, if the ink is clogged, this video will help you to fix that. Thanks for watching.